Hey guys, we're back with another YouTube video. Today we're going to be unpackaging this. And y'all probably wondering, what is this? Y'all can probably tell, but I don't really know if y'all can. So it is the world's smallest Rubik's Cube. It's about 1 inch small. And guys, before we get into the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. And I'm going to show you my room real fast. So, this is my room. And then y'all are wondering what's on this wall. I got a full Elvis. Oh, that's cool. My mom just hung this up. It is a Lamborghini and then a horse power thing. And then my grandpa got me this yesterday. And then I have a calendar. And look, unspeakable signs. Remember? Yep. All this. So let's get into it. So I have the scissors I used to unpackage my unspeakable. So let's. Oh god. This is hard here. I'm gonna just. Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm cutting into it. Okay, you guys. So I think, yep, I can open it. I can open it, guys. Ah, my hand's in there. My hand's in there. Ah, this hurts. Oh, okay. I'm touching it. Can it come on? Oh my god. So this is it. The world's smallest Rubik's Cube. And it actually works. This is. So I'm going to give y'all a little detour of this. This is what it looks like. This. It's a mini Rubik's Cube. So guys, that's going to do it for today's video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. And guys, before we get out of this video, I just want to say, oh, I messed up. I just want to say, peace. And guys, it's a big old TNT from Minecraft. Beanbag here. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. So, peace. Woo!